Question 1. What is the value of 864 divided by 12 times 6? A. 10. B. 11. C. 12. D. 13. The correct answer is A. 10. Question 2. The HCF of 72 and 120 is A. 12. B. 18. C. 24. D. 36. The correct answer is C. 24. Question 3. Find the LCM of 18, 24 and 36. A. 72. B. 144. C. 216. D. 288. The correct answer is B. 144. Consider the following expression. A. 7. B. 8. C. 9. D. 10. The correct answer is C. 9. Question 5. What percentage of 250 is 40? A. 14%. B. 15%. C. 16%. D. 18%. The correct answer is C. 16%. Question 6. A number when divided by 7 leaves remainder 3. What is the remainder when the same number is divided by 14? A. 3. B. 7. C. 10. D. 11. The correct answer is A. 3. Question 7. The ratio of boys to girls in a class is 5:3. If there are 24 girls, how many boys are there? A. 30. B. 35. C. 40. D. 45. The correct answer is C. 40. Question 8. A shopkeeper marks an article at 1,200 rupees and gives a discount of 20%. Find the selling price. A. 900 rupees. B. 960 rupees. C. 980 rupees. D. 1,000 rupees. The correct answer is B. 960 rupees. Question 9. Find the simple interest on 5,000 rupees at 8% per annum for 3 years. A. 1,000 rupees. B. 1,100 rupees. C. 1,200 rupees. D. 1,300 rupees. The correct answer is C. 1,200 rupees. Question 10. The average of 5 consecutive even numbers is 24. Find the smallest number. A. 18. B. 20. C. 22. D. 24. The correct answer is B. 20. Question 11. If a can do a work in 12 days and be in 18 days, in how many days can they do it together? A. 6. B. 7.2. C. 7.5. D. 8. The correct answer is C. 7.5. Consider the following expression. A. 2h, B. 2.5h, C. 3h, D. 3.5h. The correct answer is C. 3h. Consider the following expression. A. 4. B. 5. C. 6. D. 7. The correct answer is D. 7. Consider the following expression. A. 8, 9. B. 4, 9. C. 16, 9. D. 8, 21. The correct answer is A. 8, 9. Question 15. What is the compound interest on 1000 rupees at 10% per annum for 2 years? A. 200 rupees. B. 210 rupees. C. 220 rupees. D. 230 rupees. The correct answer is B. 210 rupees. Question 16. The perimeter of a square is 64 centimeters. Find its area. A. 196. B. 225. C. 256. D. 289. The correct answer is C. 256. Question 17. Find the volume of a cube of side 7 centimeters. A. 294. B. 343. C. 392. D. 512. The correct answer is B. 343. Question 18. If 15 workers can build a wall in 20 days, how many days will 25 workers take? A. 10. B. 12. C. 14. D. 16. The correct answer is B. 12. Question 19. A car covers 150 kilometers in 3 hours and a bike covers the same distance in 5 hours. What is the ratio of their speeds? A. 3:5. B. 5:3. C. 2:3. D. 3:2. The correct answer is B. 5:3. Consider the following expression. A. 10. B. 11. C. 12. D. 13. The correct answer is C. 12. Question 21. The difference between compound interest and simple interest on 2000 rupees at 5% per annum for 2 years is A. 5 rupees. B. 10 rupees. C. 15 rupees. D. 20 rupees. The correct answer is B. 10 rupees. Question 22. If the cost price of an article is 800 rupees and it is sold at a loss of 10%, find the selling price. A. 700 rupees. B. 720 rupees. C. 740 rupees. D. 760 rupees. The correct answer is B. 720 rupees. Question 23. Find the average of first 20 natural numbers. A. 9.5. B. 10. C. 10.5. D. 11. The correct answer is C. 10.5. Consider the following expression. A. 1. B. 3. C. 5. D. 7. The correct answer is A. 1. Question 25. A sum becomes 8,820 rupees in 3 years at simple interest rate of 7% PA. Find the principal. A. 8,000 rupees. B. 8,200 rupees. C. 8,400 rupees. D. 8,600 rupees. The correct answer is A. 8,000 rupees. Question 26. The diagonal of a square is 10 to cm. Find its area. A. 50. B. 100. C. 200. D. 400. The correct answer is B. 100. Question 27. If the radius of a circle is doubled, its area becomes how many times? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 8. The correct answer is C. 4. Question 28. A can complete a work in 10 days and B in 15 days. A works alone for 2 days, then B joins. Total days required? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. The correct answer is C. 8. Question 29. The ratio of the ages of A and B is 3:5. After 10 years, the ratio becomes 5:7. Find A's present age. A. 15. B. 18. C. 21. D. 24. The correct answer is B. 18. Question 30. Find the least number which when divided by 12, 15 and 18 leaves remainder 5 in each case. A. 185. B. 365. C. 545. D. 725. The correct answer is B. 365. Question 31. Simplify 3.6 divided by 0.09. A. 40. B. 45. C. 48. D. 50. The correct answer is B. 45. Question 32. If the selling price of an article is 660 rupee after giving a discount of 12%, what is the marked price? A. 700 rupees. B. 720 rupees. C. 750 rupees. D. 800 rupees. The correct answer is B. 720 rupees. Question 33. The sum of two numbers is 45 and their difference is 9. Find the larger number. A. 18. B. 24. C. 27. D. 30. The correct answer is C. 27. Question 34. If the mean of 8 observations is 15 and the mean of another 12 observations is 20, find the combined mean. A. 17. B. 18. C. 19. D. 20. The correct answer is B. 18. Consider the following expression. A. 30. B. 32. C. 36. D. 40. The correct answer is C. 36. Consider the following expression. A. 21. B. 24. C. 27. D. 30. The correct answer is A. 21. Question 37. The cost price of 20 articles is equal to the selling price of 16 articles. Find the profit percent. A. 20%. B. 25%. C. 30%. D. 35%. The correct answer is B. 25%. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 39. Find the number whose 40% is 180. A. 400. B. 420. C. 450. D. 480. The correct answer is C. 450. Question 40. If the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2, 3, 4, find the largest angle. A. 40 degrees. B. 60 degrees. C. 80 degrees. D. 90 degrees. The correct answer is C. 80 degrees. Question 41. The area of a rectangle is 240 sq.cm and its length is 15 centimeters. Find its breadth. A. 12. B. 14. C. 16. D. 18. The correct answer is A. 12. Question 42. What is the sum of first 15 odd numbers? A. 195. B. 205. C. 225. D. 235. The correct answer is C. 225. Question 43. If 6 pens cost 54 rupees, how many pens can be bought for 135 rupees? A. 12. B. 13. C. 14. D. 15. The correct answer is D. 15. Consider the following expression. A. 3. B. 6. C. 9. D. 12. The correct answer is B. 6. Question 45. A mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 5:1. If 6 liters of water is added, the ratio becomes 5:2. Find the initial quantity of milk. A. 20 liters, B. 25 liters, C. 30 liters, D. 35 liters. The correct answer is C. 30 liters. Consider the following expression. A. 5 centimeters, B. 6 centimeters, C. 7 centimeters, D. 8 centimeters. The correct answer is C. 7 centimeters. Consider the following expression. A. 0.3010, B. 0.4771, C. 0.6020, D. 0.7781. The correct answer is C. 0.6020. Question 48. A sum of money doubles itself in 10 years at simple interest. Find the rate of interest per annum. A. 5%, B. 8%, C. 10%, D. 12%. The correct answer is C. 10%. Question 49. The median of the first 25 natural numbers is A. 12, B. 13, C. 14, D. 15. The correct answer is B. 13. Question 50. Find the cube root of 17,576. A. 24, B. 25, C. 26, D. 27. The correct answer is C. 26. Question 51. The ratio of speeds of two trains is 7:9. If the slower train takes 45 seconds to cross a platform, how long will the faster train take? A. 30s, B. 35s, C. 40s, D. 45s. The correct answer is B. 35s. Question 52. If the cost of 3 tables is equal to the cost of 5 chairs, find the ratio of cost of 1 table to 1 chair. A. 3:5, B. 5:3, C. 15:1, D. 1:15. The correct answer is B. 5:3. Question 53. The area of a circle is 154 sq.cm. Find its radius. A. 5 centimeters, B. 6 centimeters, C. 7 centimeters, D. 14 centimeters. The correct answer is C. 7 centimeters.